Print on demand is one of the easiest ways to start an online business in 2025. With no inventory, no shipping, and you keep all the profits, it's a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to dive into e-commerce. Let's break down how you can launch your first store step by step. First, you need to choose a platform. There are several great options out there. Redbubble is the fastest to set up, making it perfect for beginners. If you want to connect to Etsy or Shopify, Printify is your go-to. It's versatile and integrates smoothly with those platforms. Teespring is another all-in-one solution that handles everything from printing to customer service. You simply upload your designs, and they take care of the rest. Once you've picked your platform, it's time to create some simple designs. You don't need to be a professional designer. Tools like Canva or Kittl make it easy to whip up trendy, bold designs. Focus on niche-specific themes that resonate with people. Think about motivational quotes, dog moms, retired life, or productivity themes. These niches have dedicated audiences. Use free mock-up generators to see how your designs will look on various products like shirts, mugs, or hoodies. This visual representation will help you refine your designs before they go live. Next, let's talk about pricing and product strategy. Start with 1 to 3 products priced between $19 and $29. It's crucial to focus on quality and a clear message. Don't just throw a word on a shirt. Make it funny, powerful, or emotional. Your goal is to create scroll-stopping products that people can connect with instantly. Think about what would make someone stop scrolling and say, "I need that." Now, driving traffic is key, and you don't need to spend money on ads to make sales. Utilize Pinterest by posting your mock-ups with engaging titles like "Funny T-shirts for dog moms." This platform is a goldmine for visual content. You can also create shorts or reels showcasing your designs using Canva's animation tool. This adds a dynamic element that can capture attention. Joining Facebook groups related to your niche, like dog lovers or entrepreneurs, can also help. Share your store link when it's relevant, and make sure to use searchable keywords everywhere to enhance visibility. Finally, it's all about building and repeating. Track what sells and make variations of those designs. Consider bundling products or creating holiday-themed versions. Offering discounts or running giveaways can also boost engagement. The key is momentum. More products mean more chances to be seen and purchased. Remember, print on demand is low risk and beginner-friendly, but it requires you to treat it like a real business. Pick a niche, keep your designs simple yet impactful, and post consistently. This approach will set you up for success. Think about what design you're excited to launch and dive in.